video, I will show you how to use proper upper and lower function. So in this Excel file, we have a column of names. So first of all, let's start with upper function. So we will type upper and we will select our cell B2 and hit enter. And here we can see that the name Amitabh Bachchan, the letters of Amitabh Bachchan has been changed into uppercase. Similarly, if we want to change uh, these to lowercase, so for this we will type lower and we will select our cell C2 and hit enter. And here we can see that we get the desired result. And if we want the first letter of each word to be capitalized, so for this purpose we will use a proper function. So we will type proper and we will select our cell D2. And here we can see that the each of the first letter of each word has been capitalized. So thank you for watching this video.